Scanning the Foot is the first video in a three-part series called Making Foot Orthotics, created by Delcam and Freedom Machine Tool. Let's join Maida Kohler with Delcam to learn about the scanning process.
Okay, so we've created the iCube because we had looked at the market and we could not find a scanner that we felt had checked all the boxes of everything that we needed to make a good, have a good scan so we can make a good orthotic. So we have this nice stand that we have that also helps us to show off the scanner in many different positions. So right now, it's in a semi-weight bearing position. We could lay it flat and then the patient would stand with one foot on the scanner and one on one of the foot pedals, and then they can be in the weight bearing position. Or we could completely pick it up straight and hang it from here so that we can scan in the non-weight bearing position. But we're going to do it for this purpose. We're going to show it in the semi-weight bearing.
Can you scan anything else with this unit?
Well, with this particular model of iCube scanner, we can also do foam boxes and plaster casts.
Okay.
So in a moment I'll show you how you know exactly what you're scanning. But we start by adding a new patient. So we click on the plus sign, and here we have a place where we put in an order reference. If you want to put in a name, you can put in a name, or some people are concerned with the HIPAA compliance, so we could just put in a number as well. But we'll put in Tiago's name, since he's going to be our model today. And then we click on the scanner button, and that brings up the next interface, which tells us what to do. And as you can see right here, the foot is enlarged because we're going to scan a foot. If we wanted to scan a foam box, we would just simply highlight that, make that the dominant one, or if we were going to do a plaster cast, we could click over there.
Perfect.
Relatively simple. We says scan right foot. Tiago has his foot on it, and we click, and now the scanner is going. The first way up is a laser scan, and on the way back it's going to take a 2D picture of the foot. Right now it's processing the data and creating a 3D model. It's accurate to within a hair's breadth, and it was actually originally developed for aerospace engineering. So far more accurate than we probably need to be for foot orthotics, but probably the most accurate scanner on the market. One of its other features is it never needs to be recalibrated. So it's very user-friendly because once a customer has it, you turn it on and it works.
Got it.
We're just about ready. It's 50% complete. It's building that data, and then we'll scan Tiago's other foot. So here, maybe we'll only do one foot since it takes a while, but you can see you get fairly far up the calcaneal angle, which helps a doctor be able to see if the rear foot to forefoot position so that they know whether or not it's a good scan and they can make a good foot orthotic from it. So the next step would be we click on the prescription page, and we have customized it that we can put in. Most labs have their own prescription form, and it's usually in a PDF format. So we can hook it into ours, and then this can be completely filled out. So if I wanted to write right here, I don't know what it's going to. Yeah, I can tell it's not. I'll just call it AOPA because that's the show we're at, and we would fill out this entire form so that the lab knows exactly what we want to do. When you get done, you simply click Save. Close that off. Go back into the OrthoMan software, and we click Send. This is going to launch my email program, checking to make sure that I wanted to do that, which I do, so I'll hit Allow. And it's now going to go off, and it's going to send that file directly to the lab. So that's how quick the lab can start working. You know it was sent because if we go back to our first screen, just to show you, here's what we just did. So this is the date we created it and the time, and this is the date it was sent.
Got it. So that's basically a custom page that each lab or office would have for themselves.
Right. We would fill in, we would attach their form for them when they sent it out to the doctors.
Great. For more information on the scanning process, please call Maida Kohler at 239-225-2837. Thanks for watching.